4,500 years ago, at a time when most human societies were still living in small villages. A highly organized and surprisingly modern civilization flourished along the banks of the Indus River. This civilization had planned cities, advanced sanitation systems, and a level of social equality that still amazes historians today. Yet, despite its achievements, it remains one of the least understood civilizations in human history. We call it the Indus Valley Civilization, and in this video, we will explore the hidden logic behind its rise, its lifestyle, and its mysterious disappearance. The Indus Valley Civilization emerged around 3,300 BCE in the northwestern regions of the Indian subcontinent, covering parts of present-day India and Pakistan. It developed along the Indus River and its tributaries, which provided fertile land for agriculture and supported large populations. Some of its most famous cities include Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, both of which reveal a level of urban planning that was far ahead of its time. One of the most remarkable features of the Indus Valley Civilization was its city planning. Unlike many ancient cities that developed organically, Indus cities were carefully designed. Streets were laid out in a grid pattern intersecting at right angles, which suggests strong planning and governance. Houses were built using standardized baked bricks, making them durable and uniform. This standardization across cities, separated by hundreds of kilometers, points to a shared system of rules and knowledge. Perhaps the most surprising achievement of the Indus Valley Civilization was its advanced sanitation system. Most houses had private bathrooms connected to covered underground drains. Wastewater was carefully directed away from residential areas, keeping the cities clean and hygienic. This level of sanitation would not be seen again in many parts of the world until modern times. It shows that the people of the Indus Valley placed great importance on public health and cleanliness. Another mystery of the Indus Valley Civilization is its social structure. Archaeologists have found no clear evidence of kings, royal palaces, or large temples. Unlike Egypt or Mesopotamia, there are no massive monuments dedicated to rulers or gods. This suggests that Indus society may have been more equal, possibly governed by councils or community leaders rather than powerful kings. The Indus Valley people were skilled traders and craftsmen. Archaeological evidence shows that they traded goods such as beads, pottery, and metals with distant regions like Mesopotamia. They used standardized weights and measures, indicating a well-organized economy. However, one of the greatest mysteries of this civilization is its script. Thousands of inscriptions have been found on seals and artifacts. But despite decades of research, the Indus script remains undeciphered. Until it is understood, much of their history remains silent. Very little is known about the religious beliefs of the Indus Valley people. There are no grand temples, but seals and figurines suggest that they may have worshipped nature, animals, and fertility symbols. Some scholars believe that these early beliefs later influenced religious traditions in the region. Around 1900 BCE, the Indus Valley Civilization began to decline. There is no strong evidence of large-scale war or invasion. Instead, scientists believe that climate change, earthquakes, and the shifting of rivers may have made the region unsuitable for large cities. Gradually, people abandoned urban centers and moved to smaller settlements. leaving behind empty streets and silent cities. The Indus Valley Civilization was advanced, peaceful, and highly organized. Yet it remains one of history's greatest mysteries. Its achievements challenge our understanding of early human societies and remind us that true progress does not always come from power or conquest.